Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make ledger account in hire purchase system. Start by recording the contract terms clearly in your journal and set up consistent ledger accounts for asset, vendor, liability, and interest. Post the deposit as a reduction of vendor balance and record the asset at cost. Create an interest account to accumulate charges and plan a schedule to allocate each payment between principal and interest for accurate ledgers and reports. Open the contract and enter the initial figures: asset description, cash price, deposit, and hire purchase price into the journal, then post to ledger. Record the deposit as a reduction in the vendor or finance account and establish the hire purchase liability to track outstanding obligations. Post the asset at cost and use a dedicated hire purchase interest account to accumulate interest until payments settle and reconciliations are performed. When payments are made, split each amount between interest expense and principal reduction based on the agreed rate and remaining balance, and post accordingly to ledgers. Apply interest first, then reduce the hire purchase liability by the principal portion and update the vendor or finance account balances. Reconcile monthly, post any required depreciation to the asset account, and maintain a payment schedule showing principal, interest, and the remaining balance for audits and reports.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.